Hello, I'm Serenity Peterson and welcome to the Serenity channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a luxurious customized jewelry box with items that you mostly have at home. Firstly, you will need a box. The box that I am using is an old cutlery box. It's around 20 by 30 centimeters in size, and it has a clear window and also a magnetic tape on the side. Then you will need some material to cover the top of the box as well as material for the interior. I'm using a dark green double velvet material for the interior. To structure the interior of the box, you will need some toilet roll holders and paper towel roll holders. A pair of scissors and a glue gun or craft glue will also be required. Start by organizing the roller towel holders in the box. You can cut up the cardboard to make them fit within the box. Thereafter, you'll need to shape the roller towel holders by pressing on one side to make it look like a teardrop when you turn it to the side. Use cardboard if you'd like to make a box holder. You can customize the interior in whatever way you want. If you find that you have more earrings, you could do more of the roller towel holders. Or if you want to store more box items, you can make more box items. It's all up to you. As you can see here, make a little indent about a thumb size from the top of the roller towel holder. This indent, we're going to use it to staple along the line to make it a bit more sturdy. And thereafter, we're going to staple the entire toilet roll that fits into one line together to make it stronger. So this is what it will look like when everything is organized inside the box. Make sure that everything fits in the box and it seals closed. If you want to make your jewelry box smell really good, spray your favorite perfume on it. Now let's see that again in slow motion, because it sounds so good. You can almost smell the fragrance of the perfume with the beautiful sound of the spray. Amazing. Now it's time to cut the interior material. I'm using a double velvet material. You need to cut so that it completely covers the roll holders and there's extra material on the sides. Stick the material to the roll holders as snug as possible using a hot glue gun, or you could also use craft glue if you wanted. As you would have noticed, I used sellotape to stick the joints between the toilet rolls so that it makes it stronger. Once you're done sticking the material, tuck in the sides nice and snug so that it fits into the box. Continue to cover all the rolls and the boxes inside so that your box interior is completed. It's time to make slots for the earrings to slide in. We're going to do this using a Stanley blade. Gently make slots along the top of the toilet roll around 1 centimeter deep. Now for the final step, you can move on to the cover of the box. Using the material that you selected for the cover of the box, cut the material to size, leaving a little extra to fold so that no raw edges will be exposed. Stick the material using the hot glue gun or craft glue onto the box and make sure that it is flat and it does not prevent the box from closing. Once you're done doing this, you will be completed with your new jewelry box. You can customize the jewelry box according to your needs so that all of your jewelry can be displayed and easily accessible. This is my completed jewelry box. All of my costume jewelry is now finally visible and easily accessible. I love it. I hope that I have inspired you to create your own DIY jewelry box. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe.